Act, we are overhauling the Sexual Offences Act. A consultant has already been retained and will soon begin work. Fortunately, we were able to get the very person who drafted the act some 10 years ago to resume working on the act 10 years hence with a view of correcting whatever gaps we discovered in the legislation, whatever weaknesses there are. We are able to do so now after 10 years of the legislation being in force. So we are working on that also to expand the legislation to cover areas that it does not cover and we feel should fall under the ambit of the legislation. In fact, we are finalizing work on a family violence bill, which we hope will replace the domestic violence legislation. As you know, domestic violence, sexual abuse, and related matters continue to be a problem in our country, and we have to be alive to these realities and continuously work to address them